1, 2, 3, to be a star. Ooh.
Hey guys, morning, afternoon, whatever time you're watching, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video is another Shopee haul. And today's Shopee haul will be capsule wardrobe or a wardrobe essential. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys because the last time na nagpa-question thingy ako on my Instagram, a lot of you requested to do a capsule wardrobe. So here I am. So without further ado, let's start this video. Before we proceed to the actual video, I just want to segue my small business, and that is Decent's Fragrances. So make sure to grab one of these. Available kami sa Shopee for cash on delivery, and marami kaming scents. We have a total of 8 scents. Please support my small business, show some love, and add to cart. I've been decluttering for the past few weeks and hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya itatambak, pero ginagather ko lang din talaga. I might sell it and I'll let you guys know. Please do follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram account, so you get posted when I sell my clothes. The reason why they are here is because talagang nami-mix match ko talaga siya. Ulit-ulit ko na talagang ginagamit, not just for like basics, even for formal. Ito yung mga foundation talaga ng clothing pieces ko. First item, and that is a bandeau top or a tube top. As you can see, I have it in color brown and khaki, and of course the color black. So ito yung mga pieces na inuulit-ulit ko talaga, and then I'll just layer it. It has this knot design. So it's like an elevated basic piece, something na very simple yet it's kind of like fancy pa rin at the same time. For our next item is this baby tee, and I have this in black as well. So these are Zara overruns. I also got this one from Shopee. I have been recommending this since last year pa, and eto pa rin siya. Maganda pa rin yung quality niya. I've been using this a lot, especially the color black, kasi gusto ko siyang ginagamit even for school. Kasi yung length niya, hindi siya super cropped, and it's not too lengthy as well. Parang nasa mid lang siya. That's why I really love this one. And the fabric is just so high quality as well. It's very thick. Up next naman are the straight cut na tops ko. This one are from Lovito. Also got it in the black and white. As you can see, whenever I buy a basic style of clothing, I always get it in black and white kasi alam kong yun at yun yung mga magagamit ko talaga. If magpapabudol kayo sa akin, magpabudol na kayo dito sa video na to, because I am telling you, you really need this kasi ito yung magsaserve as foundation for you to get that very clean girl outfits. Ito na yun, guys. Up next naman you need in your closet are this rib tops or like racer tops. And I also got it in black and white. So ayan, I'm giving you options pero magkaiba sila ng design. I'll be linking it down in the description. Gusto ko lang ng magkaibang design. I often use this as my top for running errands. Ito yung mga tipo na very comfortable lang talaga, as in maganda yung quality nito, makapal din siya, same as the white one. I think this is a staple. For sure meron na rin kayo neto sa closet niyo. And if wala, girl, what are you doing? White button down na long sleeves. Meron akong oversized neto, but I bought another one na ito yung sakto lang siya. Yung tipong pwede kong masuot for school or for pwede siyang pang office din. I also have this in color black. Another one to build your capsule wardrobe is a crop na blazer. Get this one. Para lang din meron kayong variation na crop top man lang, or pwede nyo siyang masuot sa mga maxi dresses nyo. I got it in the color white kasi most of my blazers are black, so I decided to get it in white. This capsule wardrobe wouldn't be complete without a khaki na blazer. So this khaki na blazer is from Shopee as well. Super nice and high quality. Ayan, I also got it in the color black. So ayan, meron akong khaki and black, and kompleto na yung capsule wardrobe ko dito. Meron akong white, black, and khaki, and I often use this one as a cover up as well. Ito siya. This one is a black and white na jacket. I use this a lot when running errands or may pupuntahan lang ako. I want to look presentable at the same time and stylish. I go for this jacket, yung tipong naka-shorts lang, tank top, tas ganito lang. Very nice. So I highly recommend this jacket as well kasi we have the blazers over there na medyo formal-ish. I decided to share this with you guys just to balance everything off kasi I know, yung mga ni-recommend ko dito sa inyo, ito talaga yung mauulit-ulit nyo or mamimix match nyo. A capsule wardrobe wouldn't be complete without a pencil skirt. Lagi ako may pencil skirt, as in, kasi feeling ko magagamit nyo talaga siya for office, for school, as in, Ang dami. Hindi tayo matatapos dito kung sasabihin ko lahat. Black na shorts. And this one is a high-waisted. As you can see, sobrang luma na. Makikita nyo na pudpud na yung pinaka-tahi niya. Kasi sobrang luma na nito. And gamit na gamit ko to. You can find a lot on Shopee na as in worth it talaga. And magaganda yung reviews. I'll be linking everything also. Diba ang bongga? I got it in every color. And this one is a trousers naman. Ito, gamit na gamit ko to. Pero so far, yung pinaka talaga, kung tatanungin nyo ko, at least yung dalawa. Syempre yung white at saka yung black. There's not much I could say about this because I made a dedicated style with me video na trousers. So, make sure to check that out. Ang dami kong na-try ng mga jeans, mom jeans, to be honest. And ito lang talaga yung palagi kong sinusuot. Kasi bukod sa ang ganda ng fit niya, ang ganda ng fabric, hindi talaga nawo-worn out. Kahit ilang beses ko siyang malabhan. And this one is a Zara mom jeans na overruns. I also got this one from Shopee. Meron silang 24, kaya lang laging out of stock. So, make sure yung link na i-share ko down in the description. Mag-add to cart lang kayo from any of their items. From time to time, i-check nyo yung link na yun kung available na yung mga pants nila. Kasi ang bilis mo sold out. If you're gonna get a white dress, make sure to get this one. Kasi pwede pang casual. Pwede na naman pang formal eme. So, this one is a white puff sleeve na dress. I love the fit of this one. As in, you won't regret it. You should definitely get your hands on this one. Ganda nung fabric niya. Ang kapal. And of course, very stretchable. This one is a black bustier dress. I originally got this one from Shopee. And it has a lot of colors. I believe I also got this one in the color orange. And super nice yung fit niya. And it has this mesh and ruche design. Ito yung option ko for a little black dress. Pwede nyo siyang ma-style up and ma-style down kasi pwede siyang layeran ng mga blazers, cardigans, or if you want it na pang formal events, this is the little black dress that I would recommend. The last but not the least is the one that I am wearing, and this one is a long bodycon na dress. And what I love about this is it's very skims giving. As in, ang ganda nung fit neto. Palagi ko tong suot even for church. Tapos magle-layer lang ako ng denim na jacket, or pwede na siyang pang school kasi nga long dress talaga siya. Basta may pang layer lang kayo. So, ayan, I really recommend this dress. Kasi yung mga ganitong long dresses, pwede nyo siyang mataas dun sa above the knee. Tapos may ruche details lang siya. So, it's very versatile, and I always get compliments when I wear this dress kasi it really hugs my body, my waist, and it really accentuates my curves. So, ayun. Make sure to check this out then as well. So yeah, that's about it for our video. I'm really trying my best na to recommend clothes that you can wear all over and over. There's not much I could say about these clothing pieces, pero i-check out nyo na. I hope you enjoyed this capsule wardrobe thing, and this serves as my favorites as well for this year 2023 and last year kasi ito talaga yung mga gamit na gamit ko ever since. So yeah, please don't forget to support my small business, which is Decent's Fragrances. Available pa rin kami sa Shopee for cash on delivery. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell button to get you notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!